The best way to predict the future is to create it. Dreams don't work unless you do. Sorry, good afternoon. Now 12 o'clock, no? So a warm good afternoon to one and all. The Max department of the High Range School, glad to conduct the virtual junior interhouse Max quiz for the year 2021-22. Really, we appreciate all the house in charges for the wonderful motivation given to their house participants. Special wishes to all the participants for the involvement shown towards the quiz and its preparation. I would like to tell you one fact that Max is fun. Max is a game. Your parents might have told that they were away from Max, but for this present generation, Max is fun and interesting because you are smart thinkers. You like fun and games. So I hope you all will participate with special interest. All the very best for all the participants. Now we will move to the participants of the quiz. The participants from Anamudi House. Abhay Brian, Gokul from Devmalai House. Joanne Biju, Boni Sabu, Nandana Krishna, Roshan. From Nettimade House, Raya Varshini, Ashna, Sansi, Jerusha. From the Tirthamalai House, Amaya, Deepadarshan, Purnashri, and Shivanand. Dear children, before going to the quiz, now Pushkala ma'am will read the names of the quiz.
Thank you, Mangala ma'am. The names of rounds of math quiz are receive and reinforce the relay. Second one, what comes next? Third round is coding and decoding. And the fourth round is fruits challenge. All the topics are connected to the concepts which you have learned. So think and say the answer. All the best, students.
The first round is receive and reinforce. Now, before going to the question, let me tell you that all the participants are muting yourself. Our maths teachers will note down the first answer which you are saying. You have to come in the weekend or the third answer is correct. We will consider only the first answer. If the first answer is wrong, you will not get any points. Participants, please keep it in your mind. So the way you are going to say is up to you. Mostly your house in charges may would have told you how to get the right answer or who has to say the answer. Based on that, please answer. Only the first answer will be considered as the answer given by each house. You can make out that on the top or on the side or on the bottom, the house initial will be given. Anamudi A, Devimalai D, Nettimade N, and Tirthamalai T. And the order will be A, D, N, T, A, D, N, T. So keep that in your mind. Don't confuse your order and you can say the answers. We will go to the rules of the first round. 2 questions will be asked for each house. 1 minute will be given. Two points for each correct answer for the Anamudi house. First question. Jane is older than Kim. Kim is older than Sean. Sean is younger than Jane. Rachel is older than Jane. List the people from the oldest.
Anamudi House, your time starts now. You can use 1 minute.
Time's up. Any answer from your side? Answer? Yes. Unmute and give your answer.
Ma'am, first one will be Sean, the youngest.
You have told only the youngest. What about others?
Can I speak, ma'am?
Who's that?
Gokul Krishna, ma'am.
From Anamudi House?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Rachel, Jane, Kim, Sean.
Can I show the answer, Mangla ma'am?
Yes, the answer is correct. Yes, show the answer. Anamudi, if you are taking this much time, then we have to reduce a little bit mark. So you are answering only after 1.5 seconds over. Sorry, 1.5 minutes over.
So second question, ma'am. Second question to Devamale. Ma'am, can I show the second question?
Keep the timing. Second. Yes, ma'am. A ball is dropped from a height of 125 meters. Each time it hits the ground, it bounces. How high will the ball bounce on the third bounce? Your time starts now, Devmalai.
So your time starts now. Devamale, your time starts now.
Time up. Can you give your answer, Devimalai?
25 meters.
Devimalai students. Sorry, it is 27 centimeter. 3/5 it is coming down.
Third
Yes,
question
third
to
question
Nettimade.
to Nettimade House. What is the 4-digit number in which the first digit is 1/3 the second, the third is the sum of first and the second, and the last is 3 times the second? Time starts now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, the answer is 1349. 1349.
Yes, you are correct. Next question to Tirthamalai House. In the first year of production, a play sells 1,572.
In second year, it sells 1,753 tickets. In its third year, it sells 152, less than its second year. How many tickets are sold in 3 years? Tirthamalai House, your time starts now.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, it's 1,297.
No, your answer is wrong. 4,926.
Next question, again.
Okay, in all the 3 years. Yes. Add up all the numbers on the telephone dial and then multiply that sum by every number on the telephone dial. What do you get? Time starts now.
Ma'am, it's 0.
Yes, very good. Your answer is correct. Next question to Devamalai House. How many cubes are needed to build this solid figure?
Ma'am, it is 5.
It's 4.
No, your answer is wrong. It is 22. How many cubes were there in this solid? 22 is the right answer. So your answer is wrong again, Devamalai. Next question to Nettimade House. Ethel made a list of all the whole numbers between 1 to 100. How many times did she write the number 2? Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Nettimade can give your answer.
Ma'am, is it 80?
80.
Yes, ma'am, I'm not sure.
Okay, your answer is wrong. It is 19 times. 1 to 100, 2 one time, then 12 one time, like that you have to count it. Now this is for Tirthamalai House. How many hours are there in a leap year? How many hours are there in a leap year?
Ma'am,
Time starts now. Yes,
8,
tell me.
8, 7,
Hmm.
8, 4.
Who is giving answer to you? This answer will not be acceptable. Somebody else dictating the answer to you. Who is the person? Your mother?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I have already joined from another device, ma'am. It's echoing, I think.
No. We won't accept this answer. Tirthamalai teacher, please. I think so. Everybody notice the second sound. for the number 84. So what is your name?
Purnashri, ma'am.
Purnashri. Tirthamalai teacher, please check out this girl. We are not taking the point for this answer. So even though the answer is correct, 8,884, the answer is correct, but we are not giving score for this answer. So other participants also, make sure that you are not misusing.
Ma'am, can we move to the second round?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So just this, you can go a little bit faster, go to the next round. Over to Divya, ma'am, for the second round.
Thank you, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, Divya.
Okay, I guess everyone is ready. Good luck to each and everyone. So as the round name, what comes next? Ma'am, next slide, please. The rules of the rounds are as follows. Number of questions for each house, 2. Time for each question is 1 minute. And points for each correct answer, 2 points. And there is no pass question. The first question to Anaimudi, observe the pattern and tell what comes next. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, E?
Are you going with that answer?
Yes, ma'am.
E is the right answer. Next question to Devi Malai. What comes next? Observe the pattern and tell what comes next. Your time starts now. Thirty seconds more.
Ma'am, the answer is C.
Excuse me, ma'am. The answer was shown in that slide. It was visible to the students.
No.
Yes, yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We have seen that C.
It came.
Yes, ma'am. That answer was seen below for some time down.
Yeah, it came. So I'll just pass the next. I'll show the.
Yeah, one more question you can give if you have for the same team.
So one more question to Devamalai. Can I show the next question, Mangala ma'am?
No, there is only 8 questions in this pattern. So we will give a chance at last to Devamalai again.
Can we keep 4?
No, ma'am. One question, I'll bring it before getting the answers.
So next question to which house?
So next go to
Nettimed.
Nettimed house only.
Oh, yeah. Next question to Nettimed.
Next question to Nettimed house. What comes next? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, please lock option A.
Okay.
Can I show the answer, Divya ma'am?
Yes. Option A is the right answer. Absolutely correct. The next question to Tirthamalai house. Observe the pattern and tell what comes next. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Please go ahead.
Can I say? B.
What did you say? Can you repeat it?
Ma'am, option B.
Option B.
Can I show the answer, Divya ma'am?
Yes. It is the right answer. Option B is the right answer.
Can we?
Yes, ma'am. The next question goes to Anemudi. The same question. Observe the pattern and tell what comes next. Time starts now.
Ma'am, answer is E.
E.
What did you say?
E, ma'am.
Option E is the right answer. Next question to Devi Malai. What comes next? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, option D.
It is the wrong answer. No points here for Devi Malai. The right answer is option B. The next question goes to Nettimade House. Observe the pattern and tell what comes next. Time starts now.
Does anyone from Nettimade know the answer? Any guesses? Ashna.
Akka, I think the answer might be D.
Just again.
Is finalized.
Ma'am,
go with D.
Yes, ma'am, we can go with D.
Option D is the right answer. The next question goes to Tirthamalai.
Excuse me.
Can I show the next question, Tirthamalai?
Ma'am, someone said something. No.
Ma'am, for the previous house, Devi Malai's question, I said, I think Roshan said option B, ma'am.
No, he said D. He said
Yes,
D.
ma'am,
But
D.
So, can we go to Nettimade now, Divya?
Ma'am, Nettimade has answered now. So we move on to Tirthamalai now.
Tirthamalai, okay.
Yes. The last question to Tirthamalai House. Observe the pattern and tell what comes next. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, option E.
Option E.
Yes, ma'am.
Option E is the right answer. Well done.
Can we move to the next round, ma'am?
Yes, at last we will come back to this Devi Malai House to get one question.
Okay. Last we will come. Can I show the next round?
Yes, ma'am. The next round is?
The next round is coding and decoding. In this set, alphabets of a word are replaced by some other alphabet or numbers according to a specific rule to form a code. You have to decode it. Options will be given. You have to find out the correct option. The rules for this round are: number of questions for each house is 2. Time for each question is 1 minute. Points for each correct answer is 2. And there is no pass question. So can we start? We will start with Anamudi House. This is the question for you. If paint is coded as 74128 and Excel is coded as 93596. Then how would you encode accept? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yes, say the answer.
Ma'am, option A, 4555978.
Yes, correct answer. Anamudi gets 2 points. Can we move to Devmalai House? This is your question. Devmalai House. In a code, corner is written as GSVRIB. How can central be written in that code? Your time starts now.
Option B, GIRXVEP.
You're saying option B, GIRXVEP. So let's check. It's a correct answer. Devmalai House gets 2 points. The next question to Netmade House. In a certain code, missions is written as MSIISNOS. How is online written in that code? Your time starts now. Netmade House.
I think the answer.
Ma'am, I think the answer is A, OLNNIE.
Let's check. That's the correct answer. Well done, Netmade House. So Netmade House gets 2 points. Next question to T, Tirthamalai House. In a certain code, ROAR is written as Urdu, URDU. How is Urdu written in that code? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, may I say the answer?
Yes, say the answer.
The option is ROAR, roar, B.
That is wrong answer. The correct option is option C, XUGX. Okay. So the next question goes to Anamudi House. Next question to Anamudi House. Anamudi, are you ready? In a certain code, frozen is written as OFAPSG. Then how would molten be written in that code? Anamudi, your time starts now. Anamudi House. Anamudi House, time up. Do you have an answer for this question?
Ma'am, I have one.
Yes, then say.
OFUNCN, option D.
Can you repeat?
Option D.
Yes, that's the correct answer. OFUMPN. So Anamudi is getting 2 points. Next question to Devimale House. In a certain code, purpose is written as UPPRSOE. How would water be written in that code? Your time starts now, children.
Option C.
Yes, correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. So Devamala is getting 2 points. Next question to Nettimade House. In a certain language, Madras is coded as NBESBT. How is Bombay coded in that code?
Ma'am, I think the answer is B. CPNCB is it?
You said B, right? B?
B, ma'am. CPNCB is it?
That's the wrong answer. Correct is option C. CPOCB is it? Okay, so next question to Tirthamalai. If rational is coded as TARNOILA, then how brutal will be encrypted in this code? Your time starts now. Yes?
Is the option C?
Can you repeat?
C.
C. You are saying option C.
Yes, ma'am.
Option C is wrong answer. It is option B. URBLAT. It is option B. Okay. So, Mangala ma'am, can we move to the next round?
Excuse me, ma'am. Before we go to the next question, I want a clarification, please.
Clarification we will do after this round, Rhea. Okay. Okay, we will clarify it. No issues. Can we move to the next round, Mangala ma'am?
Yes, we can move to the next round. Pushkala ma'am will take over the next round.
Okay. Children, this is a fruit challenge, means it's very wonderful round. You have to find out the value of the variable or solving the equation which you are doing with the algebra. Okay, so look at the pictures, find out the value of what it is, whether which fruit's value it is asked like that. And the rules of this round are number of questions for each house is 2. Time for each question, you can take 1 minute to answer, and points for each correct answer is 2, and no pass questions. And the first question goes to Anemudi House. You can see, you can look at it, and you have to find out the value of the last
1 minute.
Last equation.
1 minute.
Ma'am, the answer is given. Answer is given.
One minute, children. One minute, please wait. Pushkala ma'am, how many questions, ma'am? 8.
One question extra is there, so we will.
Okay.
So Merlin ma'am.
Yes.
We will start with Anemudi itself. Okay.
Okay, with the second question, right?
Yeah, with the second question, we will start with Anemudi.
Yes, ma'am.
That's better, I think.
Yes.
Okay.
One minute, ma'am. Let me. You want the screen share first, no? Slide show. I'm not sharing the screen. Share the screen now. Yes. Please wait, children, 1 minute. That's okay. Enter. This question to Anamudi house, isn't it, Pushkala ma'am?
Yes. This question to Anemudi house. You have to find the value of the last line by substituting, getting values and substituting, and you have to answer in a minute. Anemudi house.
Yes, ma'am.
Your time.
Ma'am, I have answer.
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, 14. Ma'am, 16.
What, which one I should take? Which one I should take?
16.
Huh?
16.
16 is your answer. Merlin ma'am, just to see what is the answer. 14 is the right answer. So Anemudi is not getting any point. Next question to Devi Malai. Next to fruits. So what is the answer of the last line? Devi Malai students, you can, your time starts now. Devi Malai house.
$250.
Let us see.
Can you show the answer, ma'am?
Yeah, you can show the answer, Merlin ma'am. It's 375. So Devi Malai is also not getting point. Next question goes to Nettimade. Nettimade, you can, your time starts now. Nettimade house.
Ma'am, I think the answer is 100. Please lock 100.
Merlin ma'am, please show the answer. It's correct answer. So Nettimade is getting 2 points. Next question to Tirthamalai house. Tirthamalai, your time starts now. Tirthamalai. Tirthamalai students, you can say the answer. Time up. Tirthamalai.
No, we don't know, ma'am.
Can I show the answer, ma'am?
Anyone else from Tirthamalai? Do you have any answer? Can we move to the next one? You can show the answer, Merlin ma'am. Answer is 35. Next question to Anemudi house. Next question to Anemudi house.
30,
Anemudi
ma'am.
house. Anemudi house.
30.
We'll see the right answer. We will see the answer. Yes, you are getting 2 points, Anemudi house. Next question to Devmale house. Your time starts now. Devmale house. Can say the answer. Time up. Repeat.
17. I'm not sure.
Marlene ma'am, show. It's 9. So Devmale is not getting any point. Now next to Nettimade house. Nettimade house, your time starts now. Nettimade, you can say the answer.
Ma'am, I think the answer is 6.
Marlene ma'am, please.
Yes, yes.
Yes, right answer. Nettimade is getting 2 points. And the last question to Tirthamale house. Can say the answer.
Is it 14, ma'am?
Let us see. Marlene ma'am. It's not correct answer. The correct answer is 21. So both rounds are over. Thank you, children, for participating well in this round.
Mangla ma'am, can I show the other video while we... the last question, Shija ma'am, can you share the screen for that missing question to Devmale? Mangla ma'am, can I show that to... What comes next one question?
Yes, yes, you can give it to Devmale house.
Shija ma'am, can you share the screen, Shija ma'am?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
I should stop sharing. Is it?
Yes, I will try.
I should stop sharing, right?
Yes, ma'am. Marlene ma'am, you stop sharing. Shija ma'am will start.
Okay.
With the thank you slide, she will start. Participants, please come on video, everybody. Turn your videos on.
Question,
1,
no?
2, 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 1, everybody.
Marlene ma'am, only one question, no?
One question.
That is for Devmale house.
Okay.
Below the extra question, right, Mangla ma'am? Below the extra question.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, that's right.
Can you see this?
Yes, one more. Yes, yes. Question is there, option? Yes, that's all, that's all.
Okay, okay.
The children can select which is the right answer to keep it in the question mark. First two is 1 and the next two you have to fill the second blank using the 5 pictures given to you. Check whether the option A, B, C, D or E is the right answer. Devmalai, you can check. Devmalai, how?
Option B.
Yes, you are correct. Yes, ma'am. Shija, ma'am.
Yes.
Click again. One more click, you will get the answer.
Okay, ma'am. I can stop sharing now?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you. Marilyn, ma'am, you can show the video. By the time we will calculate the points and
yes.
we can display before thank you slide.
Yes.
Yeah, children, just you can watch the video which ma'am will share now.
1 minute, ma'am. It's coming. 1 minute.
Merlin?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened?
One video we are playing, ma'am, while we calculate the points.
Okay.
It's coming now, little bit.
Any problem, Marilyn, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am. Can you share
You
now?
can-
Otherwise, we can say the points now. Is it ready? That video
Yes,
is.
yes. Divya ma'am, can you share the points?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, do I need to show the score sheet?
Just you can show in front of the camera.
Okay, ma'am. So congratulations to all the team members who participated. Good job. And now we have the results. In the first position, we have Anemudi House with 14 points. In the second position, we have Nettimade House with 12 points. The third position goes to Devi Malai with 6 points. And the fourth to Tirthamalai with 4 points. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I actually have a doubt with the coding decoding question. My answer
Yes.
was CPNCB, is it? Can
You
I
are
please
from
know?
which house? You are from which house?
Can you
Ma'am,
come on?
I'm from Nettimade House.
Yeah, come on video.
Okay.
My
Yes,
answer
we
was
will clarify. Okay. So we will check it out. Send the questions to Max department. We will check and give you. That will not change any position for you. So we will clarify it.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes.
Ma'am, when Rhea said she asked to lock the option B, I think that was the final answer. If anyone heard that, your final answer was to lock option B. So that
Ma'am,
would be
yes, ma'am,
taken
I
as
got B.
So that would be taken
Anybody
as your
else
final
gave
answer.
first answer? But her final answer is right or wrong?
We will check, ma'am. Mangala ma'am, we will check.
I think Rhea said B. Rhea, you said B is the option, right?
Yes, ma'am, I said B.
But I think the correct answer was C.
C.
Is that right,
Ma'am, that's what ma'am told, but I wanted to know how.
CPO.
Yeah, Rhea, that's what Mangal ma'am has just now told you. You have given the option B. Am I right, Rhea? Yes.
Yes,
So Merlin ma'am was conducting that round and she said that C is the answer.
C
So
option C.
told us they will come back to you. They'll clarify and come back to you. And the position will not change. Okay, so I mean that they will finalize and then they will come back to you. Merlin ma'am, do you want to clarify it now itself? Do you think?
Later we will do, Anandi. I have to check it.
Okay, yes. So they will check it and later get back to you.
Ma'am, because I strongly feel that my answer was correct, so that's why I wanted to clarify it.
Yes, we are saying that we will clarify the doubt to you, but not now. This is a quiz session. We cannot get extra time for all extra clarification. So we will come back to you, sure. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, teachers.
So once again, from our Max department, we thank each and everybody for the wonderful cooperation and participation. Especially, we thank our school for this even virtual quiz. So thank you one and all for each and everybody, the participants, the house in charges, the Max department teachers and computer department teachers, activity coordinator, principal and vice principal. Thank you so much. Thanks for all.
Thank you, Mangala ma'am. It was definitely an enriching session. And I'm sure the confidence levels have increased and the questions were very thoughtful, thought-provoking from the beginning. So all types of questions, all levels of questions were included. And to the entire Max department, thank you very much, all the teachers. And I would like to thank our principal and vice principal for giving us this opportunity. So thank you very much to all the teachers and students and everybody. Pooja ma'am, would you like to share something?
No, just Anandi, it was good. Merlin, Anandi, Mangla, all of you, the entire maths department had put in a lot of effort. And I found the questions also quite interesting, though I couldn't solve a number of them. So all the best to all the participants and congratulations to the winners. I'm so glad that we had this quiz. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you.